ceiling is falling down. Just because your friends and neighbors have done fancy looking pattern and grooves inside their false ceiling design, you don't have to follow them. Ceiling height has to be perfect. If it is too high, it will make you feel restless. And if your ceiling is too low, again, it just doesn't feel right. When you get a bold and complex design on your ceiling, either by doing false ceiling or by using dark colors, it gives a feeling that ceiling is coming close to your eyes. It gives a feeling of reduced height. In certain rooms like bedroom, you don't want your ceiling to be too high, but rest of the house, you want ceiling high enough to create spaciousness. Depending upon type of design pattern, the texture and the color and the glossiness you select for your ceiling, all these qualities will bring your ceiling close to your eyes or it will take it away from you. If your room doesn't have sufficient height, don't create a ceiling which is grabbing too much of your attention.